What do I keep in this Husky box? All of my most common bits go here. You never know when you'll need one of these. Can't do electrical without a stud finder. The Flex Light, Kyle meter. Always prefer a clear top. This one rarely ever gets used. Klein tool pouch, Knipex, Klein reverse flip, headlamp, DeWalt batteries, have a hammer down there. Now in this box we got our rigid nailer, 15 gauge, Flex hammer drill, Flex impact, two 10 amp hour batteries, all my wire connectors, chalk shot, and marking tool. Got the air hose for the nail tool, and we also have our rear handle flex. Sub for more.